Hey guys, what is up? It is your boy Bilal Aman. In today's video, we're gonna go ahead and unbox the Sony A7IV. So let's get started. Alright guys, so with the Sony A7IV, let's see what's in the box. Excited. So you got some manuals. Got some cables. Then we got the Sony A7IV strap right here. The next thing we have before we open the camera up, we have the battery pack. Got the charger. And then finally we got the camera itself, guys. Let's take a look. So let's start off with the camera itself. It's amazing. Look at the Sony A7IV. So I'm coming from a Canon Rp. Really wanted something to upgrade. The Sony A7IV now has a swivel screen. That was one of my big priorities. This camera can shoot 4K and I believe it's downsampled from 7K, which is just pretty amazing. The other thing is, you know, the Sony color science is now it's keeping up, which is kind of good compared to what Canon is and what they have with their color science and what's going on with them. The other thing with this camera, and a lot of Canon products has that video recording limit. The Sony A7IV does not, which was really appealing. I mean, you're paying money. Why are you getting a camera that still, for example, the R6 still has a recording limit? And that's why I chose the A7IV. So those are some of the things I like about the A7IV. The feel, the grip, man, it feels solid. This is my first Sony camera, so I can't speak to the past Sony cameras, but yeah, the grip is nice and big, and it feels like a little bit more. If you take a look. Looks a little bit more bulkier than what I'm used to. The RP itself is a little bit slimmer, I guess, but in the hands, this camera feels solid. You can actually feel like I believe the sensor of the camera moving due to the IBIS is part of the camera. And guys, it doesn't have the clicky little, you know, camera strap links right here on the sides that the A7III is notorious about. So yeah, pretty much that's the Sony A7IV, guys. You get the camera strap, you get the battery. This is a charger, by the way. So I believe it charges in the outlet, and then the battery just stays inside the camera and just charges within the camera. And then you have the battery pack itself right here. So overall, guys, I'm pretty excited to try out this new camera. Can't wait to get started and shoot some nice videos for you guys. With that being said, I also want to tell you guys I got a nice lens. So we're not gonna unbox this in this video, but we're gonna go ahead and unbox in another video the Tamron 17-28. Can't wait to get that. And it's, I believe, f2.8, excuse me. So check out the next video, guys, for the Tamron attached to the Sony A7IV. And we're gonna go ahead and do an unboxing and, you know, go over this lens and the combination together. So guys, thank you guys for watching my video. Please go ahead and like and subscribe. With that being said, we can't wait to get the new video out for you guys. Thank you so much. Bye.